See, I heard there has been a complaint filed with Vigilance Department regarding some corruption in GFDC. I've already explained. Last few days, I've been explaining what is the whole thing. Now, see, when in 2015, 14, when Elvis was General Secretary, President of GFA, and also Member Secretary of GFDC, he granted provisional affiliation to GFDC and allowed GFDC to field teams in his under 14, under 16 tournaments. GFDC fielded teams in GFA's tournaments after taking provisional affiliation. Now, in 2015 July, before July, again we got provisional affiliation and we were allowed to field teams. This is for the second year. Somewhere in July, Elvis got transferred and booted out from the GFDC, and he took revenge and imposed a ban on GFDC from fielding teams in GFA tournaments. So that year, GFDC could not field any team in any of the tournaments organized by GFA. Not only that year, till date, GFA is not allowing GFDC to field teams in GFA tournaments. Now, what could GFDC do with the youngsters who were being trained in our centers, in our residential academy? We train them and then do what? Keep them like that? We needed to provide them a competitive environment to showcase their skills so that they are recognized and they are hired by professional clubs.
The player are looking for GFDC.
See, in the year somewhere 2013, I think, or 13, GFDC brought in a technical director from South Africa. Okay, and GFDC was training children at the grassroots level. There is under 10, under 12, under 14. In 2017, the World Cup, under 17 World Cup was held in India. Was there any player in that India team from Goa? Not a single one. Now GFDC was spending $5,000 per month on this technical director, and he could not produce one player worth a place in the national team. It is now, after our tie-up with Churchill Brothers, that we have produced players of quality who have found place in the national team. 4 of our boys are in the India under 16 team. 4 players are taken over by Reliance Academy Mumbai. That is the ISL Academy. 2 players have joined academy in Chandigarh. 4 players have joined FC Goa. 6 players have joined Dempo Sports Club. 7 have joined Salgaonkar Sports Club. And 2 have joined Sporting Club de Goa. So we have made the future of these boys.
Before that, there was
There was nothing.